You ready, Mo?
Yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to never lose your car in a busy parking lot. Just come up to your trunk like this, open it up, boom, out go the balloons. And you can take the trunk, check it out, how you can see your car from anywhere. Then when you get back to your car, let's open your trunk, grab your balloons, tuck them down in, shut the trunk up, and you're good to go.
What do we want? Head scratches. When do we want them? Okay.
We are transferring power from Washington, D.C. and giving it back to you, the people.
We take Gotham from the corrupt and we give it back to you, the people.
Tell me what's happening. What's your mind wrapped in, wrapped around, wrapped around, wrapped around. What's your mind wrapped in, wrapped around? Psyche sabotage, your Nikes need a job. Portraits in the fog, filter out the smog. Information log, so fast the past recalls. You back the future stars, fade to black the present cause. Pour out some liquor for the homies lost. For the homies, for the homies, for the homies lost. Pour out some liquor for the homies lost. Gone away, I'ma make you stay in my head. Hella memory, memory, memory.